Did we prank Tiwa Savage?
No.
Are you serious?
No, but I'm
Watch out, we're coming for you, we're coming for you. But right now, let's take a look at what we did to the artist, Deep. Check it out.
First up, let's start by giving Dip a fake interview with our producer.
Hello and welcome to the Big Friday Show. I am here with Dip.
Yes,
How are you?
I'm great. Good to be here.
Good. So what's going on? You've done two videos. They look incredible.
Actually, we've done 3 videos.
Oh, sorry. Tell us about 3
Dangerous, a Dangerous video, pop-up selector video, and right now Kosorombe featuring Da Green. Yes, exactly.
So tell us about the whole Da Green concept. How did you manage to do that? Obviously, he passed away last year. So
yes, because we shot the video before he passed away.
Sure.
So we shot Pop-Up Selector and Kosorombe featuring Da Green together, and we decided to split the videos into 2.
Okay.
So what we released first was Pop-Up Selector. So we decided to just step back when everybody had died down with all the publicity, stunt, and marketing strategies. We decided to just drop it as a way of saying this is our gift to him and his family.
Now that he's relaxed, it's time to send in our actor who's playing the role of the producer's crazy ex-boyfriend.
That's my ex-boyfriend. He's psychotic. He literally stalks us at MTV. Look, hey, look, you know what? Yeah. I'm just gonna pretend you're my man, okay? Like seriously. Look, Sharon, look, it's cool. Sharon, please, Sharon, you can't. You always turn up to my workplace. This is ridiculous. I'm working. You can't just keep doing this. It's over.
You're still not picking your phone. What's going on?
You're gonna start making me.
What did I do to you?
Listen,
let's see how chivalrous Dip is once our producer reveals that Dip is her new man.
Oh, okay.
Susan,
this is my new man here. This is my new man here, okay?
What is your man giving you
this
that
is my new.
Let's hit things up a little by escalating the ex-boyfriend's heartbreak.
Sharon, hold up.
I'm gonna throw that 4 years away.
Ty.
I beg you with the love of
Sharon,
God, please.
Sharon, hold up. Sharon,
Please,
hold up. I'm not touching you.
You know what? We're
Maybe you should
actually
go inside.
engaged. We're engaged.
Hold up a second. They're engaged?
We're engaged. That's how serious it is.
Hold up.
I'm begging you, please.
Dude.
If you please.
This is wrong. Something's wrong here. Please. I think you should just go inside. Just go inside.
Look, you know what?
Time to put the chivalrous Dip out of his misery by presenting him with a prank wedding certificate.
Because you're not in my shoes.
What's up?
One thing that joins us legally.
Oh God,
please,
stop! It's over. Stop bringing it out.
Okay.
Stop bringing it out.
Please, I'm begging you with the love of God, please. No, just have a look. This is what is legally joining.
I think this is.
Just read it, so he'll go. Just read it, he'll go.
Please, I'm begging you. This is what legally joins us.
Just read it.
Between the both of us, please. I'm begging you.
Honestly, his muscles really gave me the freak out. I wanted to stand up and be your man, but I was like, okay, we have to settle this. I mean, look at the guy, just like, what, 20 tons? I was like, be your man, and you keep pushing me back. I was like, come on, if this guy throws me a punch, oh no, forget me now and shit. If I get into the picture, you're drunk for the first place, man. I've just been pranked on the Big Friday Show.
And that is another Big Friday Show prank. Signed, sealed, and delivered.